Now this might seem really obvious, how to hold your brush. How do you hold it? Well, this is how I've been holding it for the last 30 odd years. And I've actually got a bump on my finger, just there. I don't know if you can see my knobbly bobbly. Just there, where I've been resting my brush. Just there, like that. But it now feels like it's an extension of my arm. Yeah, a bit like when you watch chefs with their knives. It feels like an extension of their arms, like their hands have become knives. Well, mine have become brushes. And that way I've got really good control of that brush. It really does feel like it's just an extension of my arm. Now, sometimes people hold them like this, and it's a bit, for me that's a bit, like it's not part of me, it's awkward. And if you're painting like that, again, it's going to be quite strenuous on your wrist. If you hold it like this, woohoo, you've got great movement. Yeah, and it just moves around beautifully. And I've got really good control of that. And then dip it in there, load up, and I can just keep doing that all day. Woohoo! I don't know how many times I've done that in my life. Woohoo! Look, like a baton. Woohoo! Oh my God, I can't stop. Oh dear, I can't stop. Can't stop. See, definitely part of my arm, definitely part of my body. Like I keep saying, your body is your tool, and you want it to keep working for as long as it possibly can. So you want to do everything as ergonomically as possible to keep your tool working for as long as you live. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice. Apart from my knobbly bobbly finger. Can you see it? Knobbly bobbly. But that finger is 53 years old, so it might look like that anyway, but I think it is from holding this brush like that. Oh, bye.